We are pleased to show you the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.